You're about to watch the final video of Gyraline G1's how-to series, Quick Align. If you just found this video, please consider starting from the beginning. There's a lot of key information that'll help you get the best out of Gyraline in no time. Thanks. In Quick Align mode, you can measure rear total toe, front total toe, and front individual toe. We're gonna begin by showing you how to take total toe measurements, and then later we're gonna go over how to take individual front toe measurements. Remember, accuracy is best when you place the Gyraliner on the wheel correctly. In order to get total toe on an axle, you're gonna need to take 3 different readings. You wanna do this for the rear axle and the front axle. Make sure that you first eliminate your thrust angle with body align. Let's check the total toe on the front. And just like that, Gyraline got total front toe of negative 0.1 degrees on the Evo. Now let's check the rear. And for the rear, here's what we got. The total toe that you get in Quick Align mode on the front axle and the rear axle should match the total toe measurements that you get when using body align mode. The reason to double check between the two modes is because Quick Align mode is slightly more repeatable and a little bit faster than rechecking total toe in body align mode. It's important to understand that Quick Align mode assumes that the rear axle is perfectly straight with the car's body. If your rear axle is straight with the body, it's a perfect way to check front individual toe. Otherwise, fix your thrust angle first before you move on to using this mode. If your rear axle's alignment can be adjusted, start with body align mode to remove any thrust angle before you move on to Quick Align mode. If you have a rear suspension that cannot be adjusted, just start with Quick Align mode. Even if the car does have a pretty bad thrust angle, you can still use Quick Align mode just to see whether the car needs an alignment or not. Before we move on, let's go over the assumption that Quick Align mode makes. Quick Align mode assumes that the rear axle has a thrust angle of 0 degrees, which means if you got 1 degree of total toe in on the rear, Quick Align mode assumes that the left side's towed in by 1/2 degree and the right side is towed in by 1/2 degree. Since each of the rear wheels are towed in by 0.5 degrees, each of the front wheel's angles will be compared to the angle of the respective rear wheel, which are each towed in by exactly 0.5 degrees. If there's no change in angle between the rear wheel and the front wheel, Quick Align mode knows that the front wheel is also towed in by 0.5 degrees. Let's talk about a few other aspects of individual toe. First, if we measure the rear total toe first, then measure the front wheels, Gyraline will automatically calculate both front total toe and front individual toe. Second, if you make an alignment adjustment on the front wheels, you will need to reset the total toe and check it again. Then, as long as you did not make any changes in the rear, you can go back to one rear wheel, capture the angle of that wheel, go back to the front, and find individual toe. If you do not reset front total toe and go from the rear to the front after making an adjustment, it will show the change in individual toe, but it will also change the other wheel's individual toe. This is because Gyraline keeps total toe the same. So, be sure to reset the total toe when making adjustments and then check individual toe. So let's go get individual toe. So start at the back, tap the wheel you're on, and then go to the front. You'll see it's blinking. This instantly calculates the angle offset of the rear axle to the front. If you need to make adjustments, now's the time to do it. You want the individual toe on the front to be in the green. This car needs to be slightly adjusted. The steering wheel is going to be a little bit to the right. Lastly, let's talk about a way to make Quick Align mode even quicker. Be aware, this is a little bit more complex, so if you like the standard workflow, keep using that, otherwise lock in. If you want to expedite the process of adjusting your front individual toe, you can work on one wheel at a time. Adjust the wheel into Spec and ignore the total toe and opposite wheel's individual toe. Once that wheel's towed into Spec, move on to the other side, go rear to front, and begin adjusting and checking until that wheel's toe is in Spec, ignoring the total toe and opposite wheel's individual toe. If you'd like us to make changes to the UI to better support this way of doing it, Leave us some feedback by leaving us a comment or send us an email. Remember, you can change your precision mode in settings, and if you have G2, you'll be able to go all the way down to 0.01 degrees of precision. You can also change your wheel size so that you can accurately calculate inches and millimeters. If you love this app and you love these DIY videos, please give us a review on the App Store. It matters so much more than you think. If you're having trouble with Gyraline, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central. That's Central because we're in Texas. Everything is built and shipped here out of our San Antonio facility. And let us know if you want any other features because we're listening. Thank you guys for the support. You got us here.